Hello friends, my name is Prashant Pachori. I started my journey with Akash Institute in 2019 when I enrolled for 2-year classroom course for NEET UG 2021. I had secured All India rank 60 in NEET UG 2021. My parents and all the teachers at this institute helped me a lot to achieve such a good rank. I have always dreamed of a career in medicine. However, I was a little skeptical in the beginning or not. I will not be able to achieve my dream. When there were movement of self-doubt, I discussed it with my counselor and teachers at Akash, and they always motivated me, and all my fears would disappear just like that. The fortnightly and term tests gave me a lot of confidence as I was able to identify how my preparation were going on topic wise and also identify my weak areas. Doubt session and regular reviews by my faculty helped me to clarify all my doubts and strengthen my concepts.
It is the obligatory symbiotic association between the algae and fungi. ये पूरा प्रोसेस हम लोगों ने पढ़ा। एक तो हम लोगों ने बात की यहाँ पर मेगा स्पोजेनेसिस के बारे में, और दूसरा अब हम लोग बात करेंगे यहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट के बारे में. Okay?
There was a phase when I was quite unwell and was unable to attend my classes. Twitter videos helped me to cope up with the missed sessions. If I had any doubts, my teachers was always there to help me. The study material provided here was well structured, wherein every concept was explained step by step, followed by application-based questions to ensure that my understanding was crystal clear. I also believe study material and question banks played a very big role in my success. I can say that because the moment I saw the NEET paper, I realized nothing was unfamiliar to me. After seeing the paper, I was quite confident because I had attempted similar format question earlier as well. When the lockdown was announced, honestly, I was very frightened. I could not sleep, wondering how I will prepare and what will happen to my classes. But thanks to Akash, the learning did not stop. Online learning at home became the new normal. It took me some time to adjust to them as it was very different experience. However, after a while, I found them very engaging, thanks to our teacher who put so much effort in helping us understanding every topic. However, there was a doubt. I could simply message them on phone and they replied soon. During lockdown, online webinars were conducted regularly. They were so informative and motivating. In fact, I believe the lockdown allowed more focused learning. I would like to encourage everyone to follow their dreams and never give up. If today I am able to secure All India rank 60 in NEET, the credit goes to my teachers at Akash Institute and their belief in me. Thank you.